Why Geza? Vanhu vatonoti vanomira solidarity naBombshell Geza panguva ino vachiuya vachikola after maprotest where vachiti why is it Bombshell Geza his house was petrol bombed. Sana pena mashuka mudanyura panapa kuti subscribe like on the bell icon. Timina mzimu aya vanomudanyura vachiti Blessed Geza is no ordinary citizen, a respected liberation war veteran. He has in recent years become an outspoken anti-corruption crusader known for exposing settling scandals and criticizing both government excess and military interference in civilian affairs. He has drawn the ire of ZANU-PF elites and shadowy state actors by calling out top-level abuses, particularly within the security sector. Analysts say the attack on his home is no coincidence, coming just days after the unconstitutional sacking of General Anselm Sanyatwe and amid the suspicions that a peg is underway targeting dissenting voices within both the military and veteran community in the cause. This is a clear message. They are warning anyone who speaks out, said one veteran who requested anonymity, but Geza is a fighter. They've only made him stronger. Ndo mashikwana echikomentiwa panapa tiona kuti aiwa mamwe maveterani vanoachiti aiwa kutouya vachitomubhomba Bombshell Geza his house vatorowedzera kutomusimbaradza just because these veterans they know who Geza is, they know what made him Bombshell, they know kuti aiwa mukomana uyu kana achinge atanga maattacks ake hazi munhu anongo backstage zviri very easily. Chitiko chatiri kuona kuti the very time yatiri kuona Bombshell Geza hazitombozikanwa kuti ari kupi and nemaattacks ari kuita awa anonyatsoratidza kuti mukomana ari determined apo pane zvinhu zvaari kuda kuachievha. Panapa imbotudzai mafungiro enyu kuti munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi, kuti the M31 protests are they going to succeed or not? Pina comment section medu mutudze mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, sit on the bell icon.